is this enough proof to you, when we look at how the US performed, that the worst might be over when it comes to the inflation-related issues that are very much oil-linked? Although I have to say, oil is back up again. You've got Brent crude. I'm just going to pull that out for you, trading at $115 a barrel.
To be honest, I'm not yet convinced with the local market's current movement. If you're going to look at the value turnover in the past two trading days, we have been below the year-to-date average, which is above 7 billion. It's implying that there's not much conviction in our trading right now. Many are still staying on the sidelines while waiting for these clouds to dissipate. Many are still waiting for future developments or catalysts for the local bourse. Many are waiting for how the development will be, especially on the oil prices, because as you mentioned, they're rallying again. Brent crude is at $115 per barrel again. Dubai is at $111 per barrel. There's still a lot of uncertainties caused by the Russia-Ukraine war and its impact on the global commodity markets, primarily on oil prices. At the same time, of course, there's also the worries on the Federal Reserve and its possible aggressive movements moving forward and its impact on the Philippine markets. So there's a lot of worry in that. And because of that, yes, we're seeing glimmer of hope here. The market is staying above 7,000, but because of the headwinds that I've mentioned, it's making it hard for us to post significant rallies.
Okay, so we cannot definitively say at this point that the worst is over. But what about COVID and the impact on the market? Are those risks contained at this point?
Well, for COVID, I think right now that issue is already on the sidelines, at least for
Okay.
now. COVID-19 is something that investors are not worrying that much anymore. Well, yes, there are risks offshore. We're seeing cases rising again, or cases surging in our neighboring peers. But as to the situation in the Philippines, so far our COVID-19 situation has been controlled well. Cases are still declining, and because of that, we're seeing this prospect that the economy could even reopen further. So this is one of the you could say the tailwinds that is giving support to the market. So this is one of our positives right now, the improving COVID-19 situation. But then again, we have headwinds, which I mentioned a while ago, which is why the market, yes, it's somehow finding ground in the 7,000 level, but at the same time, it's not advancing further.